Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. First of all, this is not financial advice, but China is collapsing. From what I understand from different angles, everybody is claiming that the real estate market has a huge problem. So just listen to these and listen twice. Let's do this.
You're not dropping the tariffs against China to get them to the negotiating table. Those tariffs are staying on.
Why would I do
Would you
that?
lower them?
At some point, I'm going to lower them because otherwise you could never do business with them.
Yeah.
And they want to do business very much. Look, their economy is really doing badly. Their economy is collapsing.
Their economy is collapsing. Let's play it again. Let's play it again because there's a huge fight and we can make some money out of these placing two bets. Like we're placing two trades and I'll show you how.
You're not dropping the tariffs against China to get them to the negotiating table. Those tariffs are staying on.
Why would I do
Would
that?
you lower them?
At some point, I'm going to lower them because otherwise you could never do business with them.
Yeah.
And they want to do business very much. Look, their economy is really doing badly. Their economy is collapsing.
Okay, so their economy is collapsing. So everybody is in a panic mode. The market, I'm expecting Monday or Tuesday to somehow drop. It will be a small little crash, a correction or something, because somehow this trade war it's got out of control in between the States and China, and not just that, there are too many apartments for sale which are empty in China. So those people they got those money stuck in there, and just a small little panic will tumble the market. You will see. Anyway, the point is this: how do we make money out of these? So there are two things. We can do a straddle. Okay, let's say we we buy option calls and puts in the same time because we're expecting a big move, either big up or down, crazy down crash. But the point is, we do a straddle on, let's say, Alibaba or BYD or NIO, the electric cars. So get a stock that you feel that is going to move big time, mostly downsize, so that it's going to go down, but place a counter bet, a smaller amount of money that it may stay even or go up. So in the next 72 hours, I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, uh, somehow big correction on all the stock markets. I'm talking Nikkei, I'm talking Hang Seng, like all the Chinese markets, Shanghai, and after that you'll see Dow Jones. It should hit a correction because something is strange about these tariffs. Okay. Okay, the second thing, just have a look. You may do two trades. One, get some gold. All right, so you buy, use option contracts. Use option contracts. Okay, so you go either on CME or you go on Deribit. All right, go on Deribit or use your broker and go for, let's say, 3,300 uh, June call. Okay, so have a look, go in here. Gold is 3,240, but go that place a bet that it will go over 3,300. It's worth it because you place a counter bet and you go on Bitcoin, BTC USDT. Okay, and I'm telling you, this is 5 minutes chart, but we're expecting that a lot of people will retreat. They will withdraw the money from the ETFs, from let's say BlackRock and all those guys which they're holding the ETFs. They'll withdraw the money and they'll buy gold. On a crisis like this, everybody's retreating in gold and let's say different other currencies. They may go for euros, GBPs, like pounds, and Swiss francs. So everybody will diversify. The point is this: they will sell their Bitcoin because it's very volatile, and the panic from the market will do a correction on Bitcoin. That's my intuition, but you can use a different thing. So use an arbitrage deal. Find a way. What's going to happen? Think of one thing that will go up and one thing that will go down. So what I'm saying is leverage option trading strategies, betting that gold will go up and a different stock or cryptocurrency will go down. All right, so that's how you make money on these. Just because Trump has been talking to his people, and I'm telling you that somehow he's correct, that slowly China has it has to happen somehow, just because I saw so many images of empty building apartments. So I'm telling you, this panic will crash the market for a few days. So pay attention, don't stay very long in there because it will bounce back. All right? So that's kind of it. Thank you very much and have a profitable day.